Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a heart no-sew fleece tied pillow. So cute for Valentine's Day. For the materials, you'll need fleece fabric, polyfill, scissors, and a pen. First, outline a heart on the fabric. I folded mine in half to keep each side even. Make sure to make the heart bigger than you want the pillow to be. Cut it out. Then trace a smaller heart within. After that, start cutting the strips up to the smaller heart you outlined. I then cut a small square at the bottom to help make the tip of the heart. Then start tying the pieces. Do that all the way around the heart, but make sure to keep a few untied. Then stuff the heart with polyfill. Finish tying the strips. And that's it! It's so easy to do and I love that it's no-sew. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.